Yo, wagwan beautiful people. This is Shar. Welcome back to my channel, Life on Loc. So today, I am going to wash my locks and you are going to watch me. Alright, so right here now, I am using shampoo on my scalp only. So that's what you're supposed to do. You never put shampoo directly on the ends of your hair or locks, for that matter, because locks could dry out easily. So we're gonna turn to the back. We're gonna work that shampoo into the hair, really work it into the scalp. Now I have my scalp, what do you call this thing, yeah, this is crazy hard. Like, me struggle to do this shit. We have to treat our women right. Them are we partners in our life. We are messed up society, but we not sure. Love looking at myself still, Anyway, so now I'm gonna rinse out this shampoo out of my hair because I just not like leave it in too long. Men can be frustrating. Truth is, brother, so can we. Perfect, they can't wash it be. When we imperfect and they come from we. While you're rinsing out the shampoo, you're letting the water run down the shaft of your hair. That is the way you're supposed to wash your hair. You understand? Blessing when woman to make me complain. She's a helpmate, not we enemy. So now I'm gonna put some conditioner in my hair. This is the part right here, the holy grail, because I have not been using shampoo or conditioner since the beginning of my journey. And let me tell you, oh my god, when I started to use conditioner, it was such a game changer in my wash day regimen, because now my hair is super soft, super healthy and all that stuff. Look at that goodness. Them are we partners in our life. We are messed up society. Yes, goody, go on, goody. MTLC, we have to treat our women right. R-E-S-P-E-C. I was feeling kind of sexy right here, So now back to rinsing out this conditioner, and I'm showing you the ends, how they look. They look quite nice. I have a little bit of curly ends. They don't ever lock, which, I have no problem with. Let me talk to them. Look at that. Hair porn, hair porn. Now, I'm taking this thing that it's a hair towel, and I'm wrapping it around my locks, and oh my god, so many locks. It's like 300 and something, and I'm struggling. I'm legit struggling. And right now my hands are tired, my arms are tired. But he don't be deceived by the deceiver. Use the truth to tell the lies, call him father liar. When you tell Eve say over, oh man. And I just me done. See you later. Peace.